There is a big change coming to Gmail. Google is rolling out a feature that allows users to change their @gmail.com address without creating a new account. Gmail is no longer just an email service. It's the key to your entire Google life. Your work, your personal files, your online payments, your apps, your account logins. And if this new change rolls out fully across all countries, it will change how people manage their Google identity. For years, your @gmail.com address has been permanent. Once created, that is it. If you outgrew it or you realize it's not looking professional, your only option is to create a new one. New account, new inbox, new headaches. Everything starts afresh. That's what Google is changing now. With this new Gmail update, your emails stay, your Google Drive stays, photos stay, YouTube history stays, subscriptions stay, and you are not losing anything. Only the email name changes. Your old @gmail.com address does not disappear. It only becomes an alias. This means emails sent to the old @gmail.com address still land in the same inbox. This is not the same as creating a new @gmail.com account. This is more like renaming your old Gmail address. Here's what to expect. You can change your Gmail address once every 12 months. You can only do this a limited number of times on one account. After changing it, you can't immediately reverse or delete the new address. So this is controlled, deliberate, and clearly designed to avoid abuse. This update is useful for creators, professionals, and people who tied their @gmail.com to so many services for years. With this, everything continues the same way while improving how you present yourself online. Google explains this in its official support documentation, which is currently available in Hindi, that is India, and it is a gradual rollout before it gets to all countries and regions. You need to be careful and watch out for these. Some third-party apps may still recognize your old email address. You may need to log in again to many online services. And of course, scammers will try to take advantage of this new feature to exploit people with fake Gmail update requests. Take note, Google will never ask you to change your email via random links. Always check directly inside your Google account settings. This move shows Google is becoming more flexible with user identity. It also suggests Google understands how central Gmail has become to people's digital lives. So here's the question. If this feature becomes available to you, would you change your Gmail address? Or are you sticking with the one you've had for years? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you want more tech updates like this, subscribe to Wani Tech Space. I'll see you in the next video.